I'm back. Nothing happened. So breakfast time in the restaurant. The card I forget.
No, I just need your room, that's fine.
I have to take one. Just a minute. Good morning, sir. I forget the card inside in the room.
Oh, okay. You can just create a coffee.
Yeah, thank you.
When you have a chance, please return the extra card, right?
Yeah, I do. I don't need it. This one also, this.
Oh, it's yours.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, welcome back. Now it's time to explore the city. So I just come out from the hotel and now I have to walk to the city center. It's not far away, and here is the parking. Livu is there, and one is his brother. On the left side there was several motorcycles here, but they left, I think so, but Livu is here. Tomorrow we will leave the city from here. So now I'm on the way to the center. I hope we can make good photo and videos. So let's enjoy the video, and if there is somebody who are not subscribed yet, so subscribe to the channel to make it happen, to be successful. Here is an old house, and I see some young people who are painting this house. So let's see them if they are good enough. Hello.
Hi.
You people just starting, huh?
Yeah.
How long it take time? 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours. When I come back, you are here? I want to see it.
Okay. I don't know how much, how long.
Yeah, okay. So be.
Or something like that.
Thank you. You see the cycle symbol and the human. Here is the bridge. We have to cross this bridge by foot. And there is also ferry, the boat. And the water is, which come from the Baltic Sea inside. So you can sail with these boats. I think there will be a route, timetable from here to Stockholm, somewhere in Sweden, or maybe other places also. Now I'm on the bridge. From somewhere with the guide. There will be a lot other tourists also there somewhere. Guys, I think I'm on the main square, and here is the big church, and surrounded by different color of buildings, and there is also another church if you see on the street. Historic center of Riga has been inscribed upon the World Heritage List. Inscriptions on this list confirms the exceptional universal value of this culture site, which deserve protection for the benefit of all humanity. I hope so.
And some beautiful buildings.
A lot of small streets with very beautiful buildings, and it's same like in Amsterdam also, but more better than other places. But this city is very clean. Here is another beautiful church. Look at that. Here is also another square, and this building, it's called the Riga Dome, Riga House, kind of. Souvenir shop, Rimi Express, souvenir. And here is the church.
Можно имитировать. Yes.
Another brother is standing here. I have to go this way. Here is a very beautiful park in the middle of the city. Small park, and look at that tree. Very nice. And people are relaxing in different places. It's from other side of the city. It's look beautiful from here. All right, guys, I'm back from the city. It was from that area come here, so I have to go under bridge on the other side to go to the hotel. And it was amazing. Now I'm a little bit tired, so I have to buy some food, a little bit, and then I go to the room and maybe some editing or something to do, or find a hotel on the next destination. So it will be not easy task. So enjoy the video, guys. Girls, and they make painting, and I promise I will be back to see how your work is going on. So let me see them if they make some painting today. I'm back. Nothing happened? Oh yeah, this one.
And I have.
You make two, three?
But it's not like
I just
here. Like from the different.
no, it's not here. It's fake.
No, it's from the different place.
Mm-hmm.
Probably one.
So sushi time, huh?
Like lunch.
So it was nice to meet you guys. Follow the channel and you will see yourself.
Okay.
Bye and success in your life, young ladies. Bye bye. I just talked to these young ladies, artists, because in the morning I promised them that I will come back and see your work, how it's going on. So now I'm back to the hotel. So I have to make something because I have already food in the room, so I remember that, so I just skip and go to the shop. And so that was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me and have a nice time. Time is 1:30. Number 4.